is the last time we're gonna have teeth.
Poor kitty.
No food for you. No food for you. I know you're just like confused.
Kitty, huh? Oh. You're my little baby, huh?
You had a seizure with your own tail.
I don't think you're gonna fit under there. Hey, look, you can come over here. Oh, I know. Come here, baby. Come here, dearie. Come sit down. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay.
You're too big. You're too big, kitty. There's a corner over there, though, you can hide in.
Oh.
I know, you gotta get used to it.
Do you want some food?
The food's in the fridge.
You want some food? Okay. Oh, hi, Bunny. Hi, yes, we missed you too. It's okay. I know. I know. Oh, wait, I gotta take this off you. Come here. Come here. Oh, what a good girl. Yeah, you came to Mommy right away. Mommy's gotta take off your bag. Your arm thing. Oh, never mind. I already took it off. Okay. You're a good kitty, huh? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, you're high. You're high, huh? Oh, it's okay. Oh, my baby.
Is that where they injected her?
Is that weird? I know, you hate it. I know. I know. Oh, poor baby. Here. Hold on, let Mama help you. Right here. You got it. You got it.
Well, I just took another COVID test. The reason why is feeling a little sick. I'm not sure if this is a regular cold or COVID, but can't take any risks, especially since I work at Disney. So I'm probably gonna call off tonight, and I don't work for a couple days, and then hopefully I'll get my results back, and it'll be all clean. So those airplanes way over there at Huntington Beach, they're getting ready for the air show, practicing. And sometimes they come by, and I've been hearing them for the past few hours. They kind of whiz by and kind of go back to the beach over there. Kind of see them doing their maneuvers. Very, very faint in the distance. Oh, one's going super high. Might pass over this way. They get here very, very quick. Like a couple minutes. Oh, he's turning. Never mind. Okay, you don't want to be with us. Sorry if my vlogs have been very kind of random. They have been random because life has been random. I have no idea when's the last time I talked. But I came back from Illinois about a week ago and went there for my dad's birthday. Only stayed there for about a week. And I have been here for about a week working. Going off to work right now. Gonna work the Halloween party. It's gonna be fun. It's always kind of fun. People get a little silly and goofy, and there's candy. Not that I'm gonna eat any. Health-wise, I'm seeing a heart doctor and an endocrinologist back to back next week, so I'm excited about that. Finally, like since January, I've been having problems, and I thought, ooh, they're close. Look at them go. Going back to the beach. But anyway, yeah, been having health problems since January, and finally, after insurance and my doctors and like trying things for 2 months, eating healthy, blood tests and all that, I'm finally getting some help. So I'm excited. I just hope they don't just poo-poo me and send me on my way, because I do need help. I've been having increasingly irregular heartbeats. I don't know if that's due to stress, if that's due to my thyroid, or if that's due to actually something wrong with my heart. Hopefully, it would be wonderful if it was just stress, because you know I can probably handle that. But if it has to do with my thyroid, I know they give you medication, but the medication kind of makes you gain weight, and there's some also heart issues with the medication. It's just like, well, what if you have heart issues already? Oh gosh, it's windy. But anyway, I'm not going to try to speculate. Just going to add the stress. I should really gel my hair. But yeah, I guess just like a really quick 2-second update. Was hearing the airplanes on the roof and decided to show that and maybe talk a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go to work now. I will see you later. Ooh, I hear them. Where'd they go? Where are they? It's funny, sometimes you can hear them, but you can't see them because of the booms and stuff. I don't think they're anywhere near us. I think that was just a boom. Okay, bye.
Extravagant, but you know, it's nice. It's a little bit more relaxed during those hot summer months. Just wear polo and shorts. Although originally I did interview for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but my schedule didn't exactly line up with what they needed, so I went to the Disaster Earthquake ride. And so right now in both parks, we are getting into the very peak of the spring spitting everywhere. The peak spring break season rush to be what I really need them to be, you know, because there's so many times where I've been like, you know what, that works, that I'll deal with it. But no, you know what? Do things when they're make them when they're right, and be proud of them. It's plain to see that I was meant for you and you were meant for me. Darling, hold me tightly. I think you and me, we might be falling.
I'm gonna videotape you.
What are you gonna ask me?
I
can't stop making me laugh.
Okay, I was just gonna ask you,
Am I scaring you? Joshua.
I was just gonna ask you, do you enjoy,
I'm so excited to watch you sleep.
do you enjoy a nice picante sauce?
This thing keeps going in my mouth. Wait, what about picante sauce?
Not the way, that's not the line, not picante.
I'm confused, mommy.